So a man wanted me to say something about the Euro finals and the racism that followed. Blood, what can man say, fam? English football's been racist from day one. Over the last 25, 30 years, yeah, racism's gone down a lot. You see, back in the 70s and the 80s, you didn't want to be a black man out on the pitch. You know what they used to do to us? Come and see them videos, you know. You know what they used to do to us? They used to throw bananas at us. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Make monkey noises, you know. Not the opposition, the supporters of that team with a black man on it. Imagine your own supporters, you know. Imagine you're playing, busting your ass playing for a football team, and your own supporters are throwing bananas at you and chanting monkey noises at you. It's funny to see, nowadays, West Ham, they got quite a few black players and that. You think back in the day, West Ham would allow a black man to play for them? I'm not saying that in one decade, they didn't have one or two black men come through and slip through the net. But when they did, them man there still got abuse. I've seen interviews. Sol Campbell and Ian Wright complained about racism back in the day. And Ian Wright as well. I'm sure Ian Wright was talking about trying to become the next manager for England's football team. Are you mad? You think England will allow a black man to run their team? No way. They'll want to fucking hang him if he ever got them to a position where they lost the Euros or the fucking World Cup or whatever. So like, when I see man getting things thrown at them and racist chants and that, what can I say? I can't expect nothing else. Apparently man them have caused England to lose the finals and that. Of course they're going to get racism. English football is racist, and I know it's racist because other men have verified this. And I was watching fucking Young Spray's got that podcast, RTM podcast, and he's interviewing a white guy, Skinny Man. Skinny Man's from up north, Leeds, and Skinny Man wanted to start supporting Leeds United back in the day. And he said when he started listening to the words of their chanting, he said, nah, man, I can't support that because they were all saying nigger and do this to a P, i.e. referring to Asian people, and I ain't gonna say the word. Racist. Englishmen have always been racist when it comes to football. So what can I say? What can you really expect? Think about it this way. Like if someone told you, yeah, you know, apparently some black guys, they missed some free penalties and that, and they caused England to lose the Euro finals or whatever, and England got that far in how many decades or whatever. What did you expect to happen? How did you expect the supporters to react? I wouldn't have expected nothing else. It is what it is. What can I say? English football is racist.